Kitkupar, Nongsiej of India, vocal gospel with a bronze.
Kalumpong Yakob Rawai World Championships of Performing Arts W Copa Al-Hajar Al-Kunrio Kalapoi Shakabakut Dakajing Dekman Kabakrau Las Vegas USA Hakabaki Samla dan Sap Naki Nyopotli Kiri Kepertei Kilapan Pau Yalaki Sap Kipong Babon Jad Halaki Jong Ki Rong Kirup Naki luom kari khasi jantia Kitkupar Nongsiej ula mikmat yaki Samla kari India bat yaka Meghalaya hakaba ula rung shika grand finale bat ula Wanrah yaka nam kaburam dakaba khur hadu lai Tylli ki Takma Ksiar bat ar tadi ki Rnong naga ni kajing Yakob haki kerdan babon jad watlada Shemla yo yaka kerdan champion haka grand finale tangki medal uni Samla ula yo hendrela ban rabru daka first place scholarship award hakaba ula ban penjana yalaki sap haki jaka hikai bakan saitam jang kaperthei kala itu ya Samla Kitkupar Nongsiej kum uwei na kirang kensai ki badan yaka sap ruai ka bajanai uni Samla ula rung haka thup ki sangut kinong ruai bat tebet jang kaperthei bat ula yo yaka Takma Ksiar haka ni ka thup ka donbosco media network kabala betin denti ya Kitkupar Nongsiej ban poi shadu kan ya kerdan jaga nam kala dap dak jing keman ka pakrau bat kadang yale ban sei eki we pat ki Samla dan sap ban ya khun hakum kini ki lumpung ba jang perthei berok we da kan ya nam ba Kitkupar Nongsiej ula Wanrah ya kari India khamtam ya ka Meghalaya ka perthei kala yo ishai ha Meghalaya ki dan bon ba ki Samla ki badan ki sap ki phong bakan sai kani ki jinglam lenti jang Kitkupar Nongsiej kan aiding bat penrehem meki wei pat ki Samla ban sejala ki sap ban ya khun haki lumpung ba ka perthei haki snam bat ki por bandang wan ka donbosco media network kadang train meets ni ban kentiu ya ki Samla ka Meghalaya ban keu shakinam ba hajrong tam haka perthei kanam bo Kitkupar Nongsiej ula Wanrah kala kentiu ya ki Samla kari India bat jang ka Meghalaya bakadei ka park Ksiar jang ki sap ki phong bapun jat bat kidan kam tang ni kilat kidanti ban kedau bat ban betin lenti ki ban poi shakliar jong ka jingjak.
Our solo gold medalist goes to Kitkupar Nongsiej of India. Our silver medal for the vocal original works goes to Ellery Bosman of New Zealand. And everyone, we have a tie for silver. My apologies. We have a tie for silver. Our other silver medalist down to the 100th of a point for vocal original works is Frances Marie from Philippines. And our bronze medal for vocal original works goes to Theos of Norway. For our vocal pop category, the gold medal for our soloist goes to Zinzinwe of South Africa. The silver medal for vocal pop goes to Jenny of the Philippines. If we can please go ahead and clear the aisle, please. Clear the aisle, please. We have contestants who are trying to get their medals. And the bronze medal for vocal pop, senior 18 to 24, goes to Kitkupar Nongsiej of India. Bronze. Moving on to our vocal rap, the gold medal for the vocal rap category, senior 18-24, goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And the silver medal for vocal rap goes to Amadine of France. Amadine. Please clear the aisles. Please clear the aisles. We have contestants trying to come down, everybody. Please clear the aisles. And the gold medal for Vocal Army Soul Jazz Senior 1824 goes to Kitkupar, Nongsiej of India. The silver medal for Vocal Army Soul Jazz goes to Cassandra Condi of the United States. And that was a tie, ladies and gentlemen, a tie for silver for Vocal Army Soul Jazz, going to John Clyde of the Philippines. We also have a tie. Whoa. We actually have a triple tie for the bronze medal to the 100th, 2 decimal places. Here we go. Our bronze medalists for the Vocal R&B Soul Jazz category, Senior 18-24, goes to Alyssa of the United Arab Emirates, Zinzinwi of South Africa, and Joyce from Malaysia. Moving on to our Vocal Rock Senior 18-24, the gold medal goes to Ellery of New Zealand. Our silver medal for Vocal Rock goes to Jenny of the Philippines. And our bronze medal for our Vocal Rock category goes to Alyssa of Puerto Rico. All right, everybody, come on up. If we can scoot a little to the right, everybody on stage a little to the right. We have some contestants trying to come up. Awesome. Big smiles, everybody, big smiles. And everyone give them a round of applause to our World Star medalists for the vocal categories. And we're all gonna go ahead and bow in 3, 2, 1. Fantastic, go ahead and head off stage right. Thank you so much.
Hi everybody, my name is Danielle Jenko and I'm the president of World Stars USA and the event producer here at the 28th Annual World Championships of Performing Arts. And I am just so proud of Kitkupar because not only did he have to endure the fact that Copa actually was postponed unfortunately last year due to global events that were going on in the world, he stayed resilient, he stayed communicative through email, and made sure that he was going to come here in 2026 to Las Vegas, Nevada. He navigated all the changes. Originally, you were supposed to go to LA, right?
Yeah.
And then we changed to Las Vegas. And you and your team and your family who all support you were so just diligent and responsive in making sure that there was nothing that was going to stop him from coming here. And what's so beautiful is that not only is he did Kitkupar make the final show, as you can see, he also received 3 gold medals and 2 bronze, okay? But he's here representing India by himself.
Yeah.
He has no national director right now. So if there's anybody out there in India who's looking to become a national director, please let us know. But Kitkupar, I am just so proud of you because I do know actually what that feels like to go somewhere and to a place where you don't know anybody and nobody knows who you are and you don't have necessarily a leader to guide you. You're doing it all on your own and how intimidating that can feel, right? But you did it, man, and you made it all the way to the finals.
Yeah.
He went through preliminaries, then he got to semifinals, and then scored and was selected by our judges as a final show pick and did a phenomenal job. And I could not be more proud of you, sir. And you deserve everything that you have received here during your time in Nevada, and I hope you have safe travels home. And truly, I'll be honest, I hope to see him again next year in 2027 and more representatives of India as well. Bye.